Yo, welcome back to another video. Today, break even again. Who would have thought? I mean, NQ's just been on some bullshit recently, but you just have to stay disciplined, right? Everyone knows this. So going into the day, I was really confident with the daily profile, right? It's like the cleanest delivery, or not delivery, but the cleanest looking NQ we've had all week. So we were around here at the time, we had LRR below. I wanted to see this get hit, and I wanted us to create a protected low. So tap into EQ of this entire move, take out this low, right, destroy the LRR like we did, and then reject up to target these equal highs. As well as these equal highs, which is like a really strong draw, we have this unfilled daily gap here, which is obviously a very good draw. So logically, it doesn't make sense to be bearish, right? It only makes sense to be bullish. So with that being said, manipulation lower, right? Super obvious like V-shaped recovery here. I got in here, right, when these gaps got ran through, these inversions. Stops like around this low here. I go break even, I think here, rejects, get stop break even. I see this next candle displacement follow through, and we actually inverse both of these 5-minute gaps almost, right, basically. And with that being said, I was like, okay, cool, I'm going to get in, 50-point stop, and then I'm going to target these equal highs here as like a first target, and then this is like a second. So I actually got in with like 2 micros, one limit here, one here. And to our surprise, we leave first TP by 4 points. Like NQ is really testing me this week. I think it's testing a lot of people. But the good thing is we haven't actually lost, right? We haven't won, but we haven't lost. And that's actually not bad. Like, that's not the end of the world. It's pretty good that I've managed to keep my composure after 4 green weeks. Like, after 4 green weeks, you're going to expect the next week, which is this week, to be green. So you're going to try and force things, but no, I've managed to actually keep my cool, which I'm really happy with. That's pretty good for me. Literally missed TP by, I don't even know the word, like nothing, like not even nothing, like physically, like 4 points, bro. It's just, that's insane. Obviously that's NQ, that's what happens. If we go to the news, we can see that we had Chairman Warsh Beaconsday, new Fed chairman. I think it's one of his first like conferences. So I think the market was just in confusion and waiting, for what he said. And as soon as he starts speaking at 3 p.m, we get crazy volatile candles. So super unfortunate, but the plan still remains the same, right? Like, I've still got my head screwed on. I still know that a lot of funds will be generated, just like this month on the top step, right? We're not going to talk about money because the money's not important. It's just the performance, right? So, and that's the main thing. I've probably taken, I think, 10 trades total, and over like 78% of them being wins. So I just need to scale up, and that's, what I'm going to do. September, I've got 4 lucid accounts stacked. So, yeah, I'm going to try and get a fat payout on that. I will take a payout on this top step in a couple more wins. But yeah, I mean, Jesus wept. That is very brutal today. Like, I was kind of pissed, I can't lie, as you would be, right? Because we're all human. Yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Ending the week on kind of fun. I'm kind of laughing. It's kind of funny, to be honest, because it's like, it is like a real test. But yeah, I'm done there for the day. If you like this video, I appreciate if you drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.